everybody, welcome to your third and final video for this week. Here's what you'll need for this activity. The object that you have selected at home to be your musical instrument, some method of showing rhythm, whether it's popsicle sticks, toothpicks, crayons, pens, pencils, or simply paper cut into strips. You'll also need 3 cups. Okay everyone, what we're going to do now is practice representing the rhythms using our popsicle sticks, or whatever you have, crayons, toothpicks, strips of paper, whatever you have. I also have a different object. I have cups here from Harry Potter World, which I went to in January. I missed that place. Some cups to show what we'll call the rest. Now, students, you know TT, 2/8 notes get 2 sounds. So pick up 2 sticks and put them in line like this. Now we have to connect them over top. So put one on top like this. This is how we're going to show TT as 1/8 notes. Now, students, you know ta gets 1 sound. Simple. We just need 1 stick to show ta. If we ever have a rest in any of our rhythms, a quarter rest, I am going to use a cup, just so you can associate the popsicle sticks get sound, the plastic cup gets silence. Now, before the main activity with our instruments, you're going to use your rhythm symbols and show TT, ta, and rest, whatever you think it is. Listen first, then clap it back, and then figure it out using your rhythm symbols. Echo after me. Listen again. Using ta, TT, and quarter rest, what rhythm was that? That rhythm was ta, ta, TT, ta. Here's rhythm number 2. Now, when we have a quarter rest, I am going to make the sh sound. Rhythm number 2, what is this? Sh, sh. And you're still echoing after me. Listen again. Sh, sh. Using your popsicle sticks or your rhythm objects, write that out. That second rhythm was ta, TT, ta, rest. Make sure you have a cup at the end of that rhythm. Here's rhythm number 3. What would this be? Shh. Again. Shh. That third and final rhythm was rest, TT, rest, ta. In popular music, we have the part of the song that's called the bridge. The bridge will be when we use our instruments to improvise and make up our own rhythms. When you improvise, you have to use sound and silence. For example, I had sound and silence. Do you think this would be a good improvisation? No. Why not? Because I didn't have silence. So again, the bridge, you can improvise and make up your own rhythms. The song we will be playing with is Happy by Pharrell Williams. Pick up your instruments. Ready, position. Ta ta titi ta. Ta ta titi ta.
Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break.
Ta ta titi ta.
Hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care.
Get ready.
By the way,
Here's the chorus, right?
because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room
Titi
without
ta.
a roof.
Titi ta.
Clap
Titi
along
ta.
if you
Titi
feel
ta.
like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Verse 2. Ta titi ta.
Bad news,
Ta
stop
titi
and
ta.
listen there. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why.
Chorus.
Clap along
Ta.
if you
Titi
feel like
ta.
a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
All right, here's the bridge.
Bring me down.
Freestyle with sound and silence.
Bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said,
Chorus.
clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Bridge.
Down, can't nothing bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room
Titi
without a
ta.
roof.
Titi ta.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
I hope to see everyone again real soon. Have a wonderful week.